Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good afternoon. Let me present to you the new chapter of Miss Ku and Miss Su, chapter 98. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Xiaojin. She looks really worried. A room? Well, right now, she was thinking too much. Said to herself, Xiaoshu, she is really beautiful. Well, Xiaoshu's hands. Right now, she's climbing into hers. For her, stop moving at the moment. Was a commonly, Xiaojing said to her, why don't you kiss me? Well, her scent. Xiaojing, she smelled a scented candle. But, right now, she was hesitating and said to her, don't. I. Suddenly, she paused again. Probably her feelings. She really can't restrain. Xiaoshu's hand has been lurking around his body. He grabbed her head, swiped her hands on her hair. Looking into it, Xiaoshu, right now, is looking at Xiaojin. Xiaojin, it seems that she's having difficulty of breathing. Well, Xiaoshu, don't you want to take the initiative? Damp and heat belongs to her breath. Agusushi, upper and lower lip, nose tip, she got kissed. Suhenshi has no intentions of feeling the lingering at this moment. On the contrary, I'm annoyed and eager to prove myself. Now, their feelings, it really can't wait for them. Since Xiaojing, feeling is strange for her, don't know what to do, but to accept everything Xiaoshu's doing to her. For her, right now, it was really a good feeling. Although Xiaoshu said to her she can do anything, but for her, she let her do it professionally. Her eyes aways, but it cannot look go out on Xiaoshu's face. For her, she really looks beautiful. For Xiaoshu's eyes, Xiaojin, she is really beautiful girl for her. Now Xiaoshu, she gently kissed Xiaojin. On the other hand, she picked her up, probably to fix her, have a better space, so she can move freely. But still, the two of them still lay away at each other, getting close to each other. Also, feeling it was really strange for her. Huh? Well, she was blushing hard. Probably Miss Su. She really did it better. Her hands lurking around her body. Also, she bring it under. And it makes sense for Xiaojing. She was really blushing. I really feel comfortable. Now, looking at her, she was trembling. The sound is getting crazy. For Xiaoshu, she really can stop her hand. Till Xiaojing almost lose her consciousness. Xiaoshu's hands, finally she unloaded. But looking at the Xiaoshu, back pressure was still there. It's like she don't want to leave Xiaojing. Well, after that, looking at Xiaoshu, take off her clothes. Probably it was really sweaty. But looking at Xiaoshu, she looks really comfortable, also confident on herself. For Xiaojing right now, I don't know how things become like this again. Well, she looks really vulnerable. Also, she really gets shy. It is so comfortable. I'll take the initiative next time. Professional things are left to the professionals to do it. Oh, at least right now, he admitted that in terms like this, so she is the one who is being professional against her being student in the class. Xiaojing, help me take it off. Now, the scene is getting heated. Xiaojing, she's trying to raise her hand. Looking into her, she really looks comfortable. But, until now, she has no strength to untie it. Her hand still soft, shaking, whatever Miss Su stands to her. Touch how single hand, how to untie it. Now, she's getting heated up. For Xiaojing, she really can untie it. until Sue's phone suddenly ringing. It was Suhishi's phone, and the two of them getting interrupted. Xiaojing said to her, "It's like a song." She is whispering towards Miss Su. "Miss Su, she don't want to attach herself. Suhishi, your phone is ringing. Someone is looking for you." Now she gently pushing Shuhishi, but this girl said, "Just leave it alone." Now this is getting crazy. Misu, she don't want to leave Xiaojing. She don't want B to get interrupted by anyone else right now. But the phone was still shaking. It was still ringing and non-stopping. The phone rang again and it rang twice in a row. "Maybe there's something urgent for you, so you should take it." Jean, right now, she's trying to calm herself, also explaining to Xiaoshu. Maybe it was really important. That's why the phones keep ringing. Xiaoshu, even though it's not good for her, right now, she said to her, okay. It was really a strong desire for her not to get unattached to her. Phone is ringing. Now she sit up. She is holding her phone. But for Xiaoshu, sit up. She was listening. Phone's ringing. It turns out it was Gillian. Well, this is crazy. This girl, she really likes Suhishi. Right now, she's calling Suhishi. Seems that this is not good. Looking at Xiaojin, she looks really jealous, right? Gillian, what's the matter? Xiaojing's mind right now. Why did she call again? Gillian, Chinese name, Song Ling Yu. This girl is a supermodel, most beautiful model in the film circle, the most popular movie star in the model circle. She and Lang Yuyu's current girlfriend are good friends. They met each other recently. At that time, she just broke up with Uncle Hyungdi and she was in a very low mood, even shows signs of misery. Well, right now, what is the reason suddenly call Suhishi? After so many days, her daily compulsory course to send a text message to Suhishi. Seems that Suhishi's guidance, particularly to her, for Xiaojin right now, she looks really jealous. "Xiaojin, I'm going out," Suhishi suddenly said to her. Now, it's really confused her. Lillian said she was struggling with a few co-workers at work. She's on the bar and asked me to see her. Now, she needs to wear a makeup because she really messed up. Xiaojin, she looks really sad and said, "Then you can go." It's like presumptuous legality. Well, I sense something wrong in here. Since this girl, she really likes Suhishi, there's might be trouble in the future. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!